droplets.
During inspection. I mean, we did catch the big stuff, and you know, we got a decent price for it. Got some stuff knocked off, but if I would have seen them pellets, we would have got about another $300-400 knocked off. So that's some of the stuff we took out.
They took the Shabuski in our RV.
Before us.
I'm the only nigga that Shabuski in there.
Then we got this to put in the RV, Tomcat mouse killer. We just left AutoZone. We had to pick up a battery. That was $130. So we about it out.
It was $130 because when you had a code. So once we get the code back, we get our $18
Yeah,
back.
we get $18 back, which makes it, I think, $109.
Where the bag at?
I offered him Covers and he was trying to be. It's in an actual pretty good location, but we can't move the slide out because the battery is dead. So we're gonna hook the battery up.
No power.
To see if we could move the slide out so we can get to the bathroom, because that's what I want to do today, gut the bathroom out.